What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute. Today I'm going to show you how to get this clean girl, cool girl bun. Really slicked back, super simple, great for days that you need a wash day. There are many different ways you can wear this hairstyle. You can wear it with a baseball cap, go a little bit lower with the bun. You can take the little tips of the bangs out right here and create more of like a 90s grunge look, which is super on trend right now. Or you can wear it just this way. I think it's super classy. So if you're interested in how I got this really sleek hairstyle, go ahead and keep watching. All right, so for this bun, you're gonna need a few different things. You're gonna wanna grab 2 elastics for your hair. You're also gonna wanna grab your favorite hairspray. So I use this one by Caviar. It's their anti-aging hairspray. It's a working hairspray, so it's more of a buildable hold, which really works for this hairstyle, but you can just grab whatever hairspray you love. And then you're gonna want a 100% Boar's hairbrush. This one really helps get that hair super flat, which is exactly the look that we're going for. And then you're going to want a fine tooth comb. Now for me, I have super fine and thin hair, so I'm gonna be using some extensions. These are 2 different wefts that are cut to the size that I need them to, like the length of my hair and in the color that I need. So this is optional. If you already have like medium to thick hair, you won't need extensions, but for those girls out there that have fine hair just like me, go ahead and grab some of these. So we're first gonna take this out. And with this hairstyle, it works better if your hair is more on the greasier side. I'm just gonna go through and comb this out. Okay, so my hair looks a little crazy right now, but the first thing that you want to do is take your fine tooth comb and create your part. This works best if you do a part right down the middle. That kind of gives that clean girl, cool girl vibe that we're going for today. So you're gonna want to get at least the first like 2 to 3 inches of your hairline pretty secure. I just take it like right in the middle of my nose and then go up. Okay, that part looks pretty good. And then you're gonna take it about, like I said, 2 to 3 inches back and then just comb it back. So you just want that part to be right up front. Next, this is when I'm gonna pop in my extensions. So just skip this part if you don't need to have the extensions. I don't like to take these too high, so I'm just gonna go about halfway up my head right here because we're not creating a super high bun. So they don't have to be really high. And these don't have to be precise at all because we're just clipping them back. So literally pop them in, go a little bit down further, and take your other ones and just pop them in right underneath that. Okay, so now that one is in. So then the next step that you're gonna do is gather up your hair. And we don't want to go too high. We don't want to go too low. Now, if you want to do the baseball cap look, you can go a little bit lower. So you could probably do it just like this, put your cap over it, and then have the bun showing in the back. But for right now, for this look, we're gonna go right about where the ear is. That's where we want that pony or that bun to sit, is like right there. So we're gonna take it about like this. Sometimes I have to do this twice, but it's really not that big of a deal because I just want to get the length. I want to get it in the proper spot. Okay, this is where you're going to go in with your Boar's brush. This is going to really help smooth out that hair. So that front part section where you have your part, you're going to want to kind of bring it down and around. So you don't want to pull it straight back because that's not the look that we're going for. So kind of down and around. And the same on the other side, down and around. That's the part that we really want to get flat And that boar's hairbrush really just grabs every single strand of hair. Go ahead and get that back, those little baby hairs that come in the back. And then I'm just gonna flip this up really fast and take my hairspray and spray down those baby hairs. Go back in with my boar's hairbrush and really make sure that those baby hairs aren't peeping through at the end of it. Okay, now I'm gonna take it for this section and then pull it straight back. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, or you guys get the gist of it. It's really easy and it takes me like 5 minutes when I'm not filming. You just gotta get the hang of it. So just keep going back over those areas that you really want to get flat. Okay, so for the most part, I can feel that I've got most of the hair in place. And now here's where I'm gonna go in with my ponytail holder. I'm gonna go in with a thicker one first because I have those extensions in. This is really gonna hold that all together. I'm just gonna wrap that like a regular pony. Okay, so now you can see it. I feel like I've got it at a pretty good spot. Not too low, not too high. I'm just gonna double check that in my little mirror. Okay, I think that's exactly where I want it. And if not, I'm just gonna go with it. So then after you get your ponytail, a lot of people, I mean, you could just leave it like this. Obviously I can't because of the extensions. You can see the difference of length in them. But this is where we're gonna do the bun. This might get a little tricky for me to show you guys, but what I'm gonna do, all you do is you take your hair and you twist it to the right. And so you're gonna wanna go clockwise and then twist that, make sure it's really secure. And then as you're twisting it, go ahead and twist it around like this. See how I'm like twisting the hair as I'm twisting the pony around? Just like that. Wow. Okay, and I kind of like when it looks a little messy, like if pieces start to kind of hang out a little bit. I'm totally fine with that. I actually like the way that looks. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my smaller elastic, and I'm gonna take that and just go around once, or twice, sorry. All right, let's see how that looks. I can't tell. It feels really good. Ooh, that looks good. I feel like that looks really good. So see, these baby hairs are still coming out. I swear I can't really do anything with them. So now I'm just gonna go through and spray those even more. Go back in with the boar hairbrush and comb up. Really try to get them to where they don't. Because you want it to be as like slicked back and clean as possible. I feel like that's pretty good. Now, sometimes like right up here, see how there's like a gap in my hair? That's when I'm gonna go in with my fine tooth comb and just kind of comb it like that. So it creates more of a, see, this one looks pretty good. I will just go through. Right there, I feel like. So I think that looks pretty good. You can go through now all the way. I'm gonna try to do this to the side. Just go through with that boar's hair brush and really slick everything down. Okay. And that is the back of it. That is your clean girl, cool girl hairstyle. And like I said, it's super easy. It took me a little bit longer because I was explaining everything, but once you get the hang of it, it literally takes like 10 minutes. All right, guys, well, I hope that you enjoyed watching how I created this sleek, clean girl, cool girl bun. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.